Hey everyone, Ethan Nader here, and today I'm very excited because I have the all-new Blade Revolution 235 CP, which is an updated and upgraded version to the previous Blade 230S Smart. Now, a lot of people say it's an updated and upgraded version, but I would say it's more than that because a lot has changed underneath the canopy, including improved cyclic geometry, a whole lot better flight tuning on the helicopter itself, along with some aluminum upgrades like the aluminum head block and swash plate. And it really makes this helicopter feel great for not only beginners, but also experienced pilots. And that's what I'm going to be showing you all today, is a little bit more of the 3D side of this helicopter. So for the transmitter setup, I actually just loaded in the smart transmitter file. I didn't change anything. I am going to be flying with everything 100% dual rates. Now, the one thing that I did change was the expo. The stock transmitter file, you come with about 35% expo on everything. I backed it down to, I believe, 15% expo for everything. It's just more my personal feel. 35% is good for a beginner, but if you're flying 3D, I like that lower expo. So let's go ahead and fly this helicopter. So as you can see, I'm in normal mode right now, so everything is going to auto level, which is great for a beginner. If I move the stick full forward, that's as far forward as it's going to go, and same with the back. You basically can't flip this helicopter, but that's pretty much it for safe. I'm going to go ahead and flip into stunt 2, and we'll start 3D in this thing. So as you can see, just by seeing the flight characteristics of this helicopter in terms of 3D, the cyclic geometry really improves this helicopter's flight performance, as well as if you actually look underneath the canopy, you can see that the two servos that were previously in the back on the Blade 230S Smart have been moved to the front, and this helps with the overall CG. So as you can see throughout those maneuvers, the helicopter flew really, really well. You didn't see any of that dolphin effect that you might get with the tail-heavy helicopter like the Blade 230S Smart. But yeah, honestly, this is a great helicopter to practice as more of like a low head speed type setup for the more advanced 3D guys. That's what's cool about this helicopter, is it teaches you really good collective management and also cyclic management, because compared to something more extreme like the Fusion 180 Smart or one of the high-speed 200 size helicopters, this helicopter has a lower head speed, which is mainly good for the beginner pilot. You don't want to intimidate them, and then also the reduced head speed, essentially results in less damage whenever you do crash the helicopter. So again, that's what's great about the beginner side of this helicopter. But for the more experienced pilot, again, it teaches great collective and cyclic management just because of that lower head speed, and it really helps me learn more smooth maneuvers, especially through transitions. But that's just some of the things that I like about the new Revolution 235 CP. And stay tuned, because I will be doing an overview on this helicopter, showing my personal thoughts on it and what I like about it, what I might not like about it. Again, I've only got about 5 to 10 flights or so on this helicopter, and I plan on flying it a lot more. And I hope you all enjoyed this video, and stay tuned for my overall thoughts on it.